So, good morning po, ma'am. I am Elisa Sabato, a student nurse. I will be performing head-to-toe assessment. May I verify your name, birthday, and age po?
Lady Serafili Solomon, February 5, 2008, 18.
Do I have your consent to proceed, ma'am?
Yes.
So, alam niyo po kung anong araw ngayon?
Monday po.
Alam niyo po kung saan ang araw ngayon?
Naka-clinic po.
Okay, great. Do you have any allergies to ma'am or any past medical history? Do you feel any pain po? Kung meron lang po, can you rate it from 0 to 10?
Sinunod po.
Okay. May I know your height and weight po, ma'am?
5'3" and 55.
Okay. So looking on my patient, she appears alert and oriented to person, place, time, and situation. Speech is clear, appearance is appropriate, her skin color is even and appropriate for her ethnicity. Her facial features are symmetric. She doesn't show any sign of distress. Her body posture is upright and no signs of deformities. Her BMI is perfect for her age and she is well hygiene. So now I will get your vital signs for now, which is composed of temperature, pulse rate, respiratory rate, SpO2, and blood count. Okay. Next po, ma'am, kukuhanan ko po kayo ng blood pressure. Relax lang po na. Relax lang po na. Sabihin mo lang po pag may nararamdaman po kami sa okay po, so ang meeting is normal and ang temperature rate po ng isang po, wala po yung meron. So next month isang SpO2 situation po. Okay, pwede po po last na po na. Normally po ang SpO2 nito. Next po is kukuhanin ko po tayo ng respiratory rate. So mapakilagay po yung kamay sa dibdib at relax lang lang. Tingnan po lang. overall po, ang vital signs po ay normal. Okay. So, ma'am, next po i-assess ko po ang your head. Can you please frown po? Okay. Smile po, ma'am. Please clench your jaw po. And puff your cheeks po. Okay po. So, ma'am, okay na po kung hahawakan ko po ang head niyo. So, ma'am, your hair looks good po. No lumps, rashes, or infestations. Shape is normal. No masses or tenderness. Facial is symmetry present. Hair is thick, soft. No dandruff or lice. And you have a natural color po. So, next po, ma'am. Ita-touch ko po sa face niyo itong pimples and pwede pong pasabi lang po kung ano po mararamdaman niyo. Kung soft po siya or hard. So next po ma'am, i-assess ko po ang inyong eyes. So ma'am, pwede pag-clear lang po ng pinag-head niyo. Pwede lang po kayo sa inyo. So ma'am, pa-follow lang po ng 10 light. Okay. So, ma'am, i-open ko lang po ang inyong eyelid. Ma'am, pag-follow ko ng inyong kilay. Okay po, ang inyong eyelash po, ma'am. So, ma'am, your conjunctiva is pink and your sclera is white. Your pupil, ma'am, is brown. No discharge and well round. Your vision, ma'am, is also clear po. Eyelashes are long and curled. Your pupils react well to light. Eyebrows are even and have well distributed hair and not so thick and not so thin. So, ma'am, ngayon i-assess ko naman po ang hair ninyo. So, okay lang po ba kung makahawakan ko po ang katawan niyo po? Sabihin niyo lang po pag magkaroon po kayo ng any discomfort. So, ma'am, sa tingin niyo po, no redness, drainage, or anything like that. So, to my patient, she does have a few ear piercing. She doesn't have any skin breaks behind her ear and can hear clearly. So, next po, ma'am, is i-assess ko naman po ang your nose. So, for your nose, ma'am, I'm gonna have to lift your head up and take a look po. Itakin ko ng konti. Ma'am, okay lang po ba kung ano yung ito? Sabihin mo sa akin kung ano po yung mga okay po. So, napansin ko po na no drainage, no redness. So, do you have any trauma or surgery to your nose, ma'am? No. So, I'm gonna need you to cover your nose po. Ito po din. Sa kabila mo, ma'am. Okay po, so she had a good airway, no tenderness or muscles. Okay ma'am, so next po pong i-assess ang mouth po. So palit lang po mag-head po. Open your mouth ma'am and say isa po ma'am. Touch po ng tayo po sa taas. Ma'am, pwede pong pa-pakulit side to side. Okay, parang po ma'am. So touch ko pong lips na ma'am. So, my patient, homopause membrane are clean and moist, her teeth are intact, her uvula was and present, lips are moist, pink, and not dry at all. Her tongue is also pink. So, pansin ko rin sa lip ng your mouth na is no nodules, lumps, or anything like that. Also, your tonsils ma'am are not enlarged. So, ma'am, mag-change lang po ako ng gloves, ma'am. So, next po, ma'am, i-assess naman po natin ang neck niyo po. So, now, let's test your range of motion, ma'am. Can you move your chin up po? Down po, ma'am. Then, side to side. Okay. So, the patient does have full range of motion. Next, we're gonna assess your carotid arteries, your braces po, ma'am. Okay. Detach ko lang po. So, napansin ko po sa patient na no nodules, lumps, or anything like that po. No abnormal swelling or masses. So, ma'am, next naman po, check ko po kung may boobs po kayo. Okay, ma'am. So, no boobs po. Next, ma'am, na-assess ko naman po ang yung thorax and lungs. Next, ma'am, is your chest area. So, no use of accessory muscles. I'm gonna put, ma'am, my stethoscopes in 6 different places, ma'am, both from your front and back. So, I'm gonna have you to breathe in and out now, okay? Last one po. Same din po na sa likod nito. Breathe in and breathe out. So, long sound bilaterally are cleared in the anterior and posterior chest. Sounds were noted, no wheezes, crackles, or anything like that. So, ma'am, ilalagay ko po ang hand ko po sa dalang nito. Can you say, ma'am, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 po. So, ma'am, continuation po. Can you please stand up po, ma'am? Check ko lang po ang likod niyo po. Palagay ko ng kabilang side po. Stand up straight po, ma'am. Okay, no signs of scoliosis. So, okay naman, pwede na po umupo. I'm going to listen to your heart now, ma'am. Ano lang po kayo, ma'am. S2 are regular, no murmurs. Now regularly are so S1 and S2 are regular, no murmurs. Then regular right and written po ma'am. Next po is i-assess naman po natin yung breast po and ang axilla. Ma'am, okay lang po kung makakatitest yung mga parts ng katawan po. Sabihin nyo lang po makaramdam po kayo ng discomfort po. Okay, so wala naman po akong nakakapang something like bukol. Okay, sige po. Okay, wala rin po. Thank you, ma'am. Next naman po is ang abdomen. Abdomen na po ang aming assess ko po. So, ma'am, ang next po na i-assess ko po sa inyo is ang inyong abdomen. So, ma'am, can you please lay down comfortably po? I'm gonna check your typical pulse po in 1 full minute. Ma'am, ay po. Is regular. So I'm gonna check your auscultate your abdominal aorta for any dip. Okay, no good, ma'am. So now we're gonna check for your bowel sample. Okay po, ma'am. So the patient does have an active bowel sound in all 4 quadrants. So, ma'am, I'm gonna push in your abdomen. So, sabihin niyo na po sa akin kung nakaramdam po kayo ng anything. Dito namawala po. Dito, ma'am. So, the patient reports no pain or tenderness on palpation. So, while you're laying down, ma'am, I'm gonna check your pedal pulse. So, ma'am, I'm gonna check your pedal pulse. Ma'am here, plus 2 bilaterally, then posterior tibial plus 2 bilaterally. So ma'am, I'm gonna lift up your knees, ma'am. I'm going to check if you have any edema at all. So excuse me, ma'am. Okay, so no edema present. Ma'am, you can sit back na po. Assess your upper and lower extremities, ma'am. Can you raise your hand now like this? Ma'am, your season as ma'am. Towards me, towards you, and up. Same sa down, ma'am. Towards me, this lang po. Then, neck, and then. Okay, so, the patient had 5 out of 5 muscle stretch on upper and lower extremities. So, ma'am, now I'm gonna check the temperature, your skin color, and any phenomena or pain ma'am sa inyong skin. Tingnan ko ang layers niya. May SE layer mix na. Okay, moisture and not dry at all. May SE layer mix na. Okay, your nails are clean and naputulan naman kayo in round shape. po sa inyong sheet. Not dry, moisture. And clear naman po ang inyong nails. And even naman po ang inyong skin color. So, ma'am, tapos na po ang ating photo assessment. Let me know, ma'am, if you have any questions po.